I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of management and entrepreneurship. In this video, I'm going to discuss what are the levels of management. This is most important. So we have to familiar whenever we are working in an organization, we should understand three important levels in an organization. As you can observe in the diagram, we have three important levels. First one is top level management, middle level management. Other one is called a lower level management. We'll have a brief discussion of roles and significance of each levels of organization. So management is typically divided into three main levels. What are they? So the first one is you can observe the top level management level. This is also known as strategic management because mission, vision, everything will be framed by top level. Even policies also will be changed by the top level management, especially CEO, vice president, president, etc. When it comes to middle level management, it is a second level. It is also known as tactical level management. So the middle level managers will act as a communicator or intermediator between top level manager as well as lower level manager. Okay, so they are actually transforming the idea which is formed by the top level manager, and they're trying to work out to the operational manager or lower level managers through the particular operation or particular person. And frontline management, it is also known as operational management, or you can call it as a lower level management. Okay, these are the three importance level. Day-to-day operation, all are related day-to-day operation, timely completion of the work, all the things are comes under the frontline management, or you can call it as a lower level manager. Okay, lower level. Both are same only. Don't get any confusion. So we have to explain individually what is top level management, what is middle level management, what is frontline or lower level management. Okay. So moving on to the discussion, let us talk about the top level management. It is also known as strategic management. So most of the most of the employees, those who are in the executive position, especially CEOs, president, vice president, who are responsible for setting the overall direction, overall vision, mission of the organization. They are responsible for the organization's survival and growth in the larger market environment. Based on the strategy, organization has to move in a successive fashion. When it comes to the middle level management, it is also known as tactical level management. Middle level management acts as a bridge between top management and the lower level management. They include the department heads like financial head, marketing head, all HODs, then the regional managers and branch managers. Their key responsibility involve translating the top level strategies into action plan for the specific department. So the work has to be done through the department. That is their major role. For example, production department. What is their major goal? Okay, production manager. Production manager is belong to middle level manager. Okay, then marketing manager. So to understand the market, what is the market condition, they should transfer the ideas from the top level management to improve the marketing department. They oversees the day-to-day operations, manage budgets, allocate the resources, and motivate the teams to achieve the departmental goals. So these are the significance of middle level management or middle level managers. Okay, so this is clear, I guess. Next one is called a lower level management. What is lower level management? The lower level management is known as frontline manager or operational management, etc. Frontline management comprises of supervisors, team lead. Then these are the important people concerning lower level management. They will mainly deal with the day-to-day operations and activities. The primary focus is on executing the plans and strategies established by the top level and middle level management, ensuring that the work will be completed on time with maintaining the proper quality. So lower level managers are involved in assigning the task, then scheduling the work, monitoring the performance, and providing the feedback. Directly interacting with the employees. Okay, they are directly workers, laborers, etc. So they are actually fulfilling or completing the work which is assigned from the higher or top level management. They play a crucial role in maintaining productivity, managing the resources efficiently, resolving the operational issues at the operational level. It is also known as front level management. I think it's clear to everybody. So these are the important levels of management. You need to explain three levels of management in any type of organization. Let us know if you have any queries related to this topic. You can comment. You can provide the suitable comment in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a great day. Apart from that, I request everybody, if this channel is useful, kindly subscribe. If the video is useful to you, I request you to share this video and put a like button. That will help me a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for your support. Have a great day.